Hi Blazers! In a video tutorial that we created a while ago now, we showed you how to update your Plex server within the Plex interface by clicking on the arrow and going to server update available and then clicking the download and going through that. Now, a long time ago this did not work for me. So I wanted to do a second way of updating your Plex server to the latest update. And the way to do this is, we're just going to close this. If you go to the Plex homepage and don't open Plex, just go to the download, click on download and go to Plex Media Server. And then on the, so you got to click Plex Media Server there. Choose your operating system. So for me, Windows. And then you've got all this. You can choose that, but basically after that, just click on Choose Distribution. So whatever's on the right hand side is the latest. And then choose 32-bit or 64-bit. I know that I'm on a 64-bit. So we're going to click that. We're going to click download, but we're going to put it into here. And once it's downloaded, click on it. And it's automatically going to run the file. Click on yes. And then you've got the installation wizard. So you don't see this if you do it through the Plex interface, but this is the old school installation wizard. So you hit next. You say next. Next. Install. So right now it's telling me that I have had the 32-bit version installed before. It's going to remove that. We're going to go OK. Okay, so we're going to go through this again. So we're going to go cancel. We're going to go 32-bit. So you can see we've got some issues there, but nothing that we can't fix. We'll click on that again. Click on install. Yes. And then we'll click on launch. You can see the Plex icon has come back. Now, to double check that you're onto the latest, what I'd recommend is go to the Plex homepage, open Plex, you can see pretty much instantly that that update arrow has gone. So I'm up to date, but if you want to double check, you can click on the little spanner and then go down to general and then click on check for updates. It'll say you're up to date, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I would always recommend doing it this way. If you can do it through the interface website, it's the best way to do it. The download is the alternative if this doesn't work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will give you more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.